is Jemma
And I'm Kylie Perry.
and we are the co-founders and co-directors of the Paper Birds Theatre Company.
The Paper Birds was formed in 2003 when we graduated from university from Bretton Hall.
Yeah, so now we exist as a core team of 4 women, and we have a range of collaborators and associates all over the UK.
We make engaging, accessible political theatre.
Yes, and we believe that process is as important and as impactful as product. So we spend loads of time, really long research and development periods in communities before we make and devise and tour our shows.
Yeah, we run lots of workshops, we run seminars, we do whole devising theatre projects.
Yeah, we run CPD for teachers, and we do schools tours. We work with thousands and thousands of people a year.
We believe that theatre is for everyone and that the arts can change lives.
Yes, and also that engagement with the arts can improve your health and your well-being and make you understand yourself and the world around you much better. But ultimately, what we really want to do is we want to offer access and agency and opportunity to anyone who engages with us and our work.